Hello my lovely subscribers, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Sidako and this is Sidako Tech Lab. Now I am going to show you today how you'll be able to earn a cool $21 USD for yourself without investing anything, you understand? So this particular tutorial is about me showing you some of the apps that you can use to make money for free without paying anything. Now most people have been using several apps on their phone. Most people have been accessing several apps, going online, making research on how they'll be able to earn cool cash online. But hey, don't worry yourself. I am going to show you a particular app or apps that you'll be able to earn a cool money for yourself without investing, without putting in anything. So guys, stick and stay. I'll be back for more. Alright guys, so I am going to show you this step on how you'll be able to make money online. This channel, Sidako Tech Lab, is actually a tech channel which brings out everything for you to 8 subscribers. So if you are here and you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload this or this kind of astounding videos for you to watch. I am going to show you how I was able to get $21 using a certain app. I want you to follow through with me step by step. I'm going to show you. Don't skip the video, don't go anywhere, and make sure you sit down and relax in order to get to know how you'll be able to earn this cool money. But guys, after this video I am also going to show you a review on these same apps, you understand? So don't go anywhere. Before we start, I just want to show you a proof of how I was able to make this money, you understand? I just want to show you. So I'll go to my browser and then we have the first app I'm going to talk about is an app we call Bocor.com. These are apps that are being created online, and the only thing that you need to do is just perform certain tasks and then you are paid. Now guys, these apps are apps that have come, they are circulating, there are countless of them online that you can have and then earn money. But don't worry, don't go just too much, don't worry yourself, don't think that you've gotten the name of the app and you've gotten the website so you just move on and go and do whatever. You don't even know what you are going to. I just want you to relax and then follow through, because I'm going to explain in depth, in details, what you need to do and what you need not to do. So follow me through, easy steps. So what do you need to do right now is, after you've been able to register with this app, let me first show you my withdrawal proof for you to know that I am not joking, you understand? I am not joking. So I made a withdrawal of 21 USDT, you understand? So this is 21 USDT. I made it into my Binance account. If you want proof, I will just go to my Binance account and show you the withdrawal into my Binance account. So this is something that I'm showing you which is legit. I don't want to it's not like I want to scam anyone. I love my followers and I always want the best for them. So I just want to show you how I was able to get this cool cash. Okay guys, so I made a cool 21 USDT here. You can see from the screen that this is legit and this is real. So I was paid from the website. I was paid from the website with this amount, 21 USDT. That is why I showed you here. I showed you here from the website the withdrawal that I've made. I will not give you anything that is fake. So you can see from here 3 USDT. Now relax, don't rush. I just want to show you step by step. All that you need to do in this particular app, which is Bocor, is that you'll be given some sort of daily task that you need to do. Every task that you do, you get $1. You understand? $1. So when you go to the website after registering, all that you need to do is go to task hall. And when you go to task hall, you go to YouTube or TikTok or Facebook, anywhere that you want to go. and then you pick, and then you go to do task. That is here. So you just hit on do task this side, and then you hit on it, you go there, and then you perform several tasks. Every task that you do, they will pay you 1 USD. Alright, so all these tasks, if you want to do, just tap on receive, and then you'll be able to do that. Now wait, I just want you to wait, relax, and then you hear something from what I'm about to tell you. So you do this for about 3-4 days, and then you cash out to your Binance account. If you encounter any problem, you can alert me, I will help you out. So the next app that I will be talking about is Starlight. So with Starlight, it's also a new website that has emanated, that people are earning from it. I will just show you what I've been able to earn from Starlight. So this is my account. I've gotten like 18 cedis because I'm not consistent there. I don't really get time to do it. But if you are serious, you'll be able to do something. Every day you earn 3 cedis from the website. But guys, I just want to show you something. Looking at the Boko, I earned $21 free without investing. Now this website that I've shown you, which is Boko and then Starlight, they are Ponzi website. I am adding this review for you to know that this website, they will give you a platform, you perform free operations, you do everything for free, and at the end of the day, what they do is that they allow you, or they ask you to join their VIP. You are getting it? So you join their VIP, and when you join their VIP, you pay a huge money, and then they will ask you to continue with the tax. So these are the VIPs. They will just ask you, VIP 1 is for 120 USDT. Just imagine, you are paying 120 USDT for only VIP 1, and then a day daily tax you'll be performing like 4. Every price, I think the price is $1. So the question is, how many weeks can you work and get your 120 USDT back? Before you realize, this company have taken your money and they are gone. I came here, I made a review on Lego 7. Most of my followers were like, it's not true, they have invested in all sorts of monies. And then in few days later, most of them came back telling me that the company has shut down, they have taken their money. So guys, I'm trying to tell you that do not invest in any of this. From VIP 1 up to the last VIP. Look at VIP 8. You are paying 5,000 USDT. What the heck? So you just have to invest this money, and then you'll be given the opportunity to do this daily tax, and then they pay you. But I just want you to enjoy the free section. Register as a free user, perform the tax for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Cash out your money into your wallet address, your crypto wallet address, and you are good to go. It is not good for you to invest in this. I don't really advise you to do that, because this is a Ponzi scheme. Look at the features of Boko and then Starlight. They are the same thing. They have the same features. Whatever is going on in Boko, the same thing is going on Starlight. So here, this one, you just have to watch videos on TikTok and YouTube, and then you upload it to them, and then the system captures and pay you. Every particular tax that you do, it is 50 pesos for Starlight. So all that you need to do is that enjoy the free membership or ordinary membership, and then be performing your tax every day. If you get the money that you prefer, just cash out. I don't advise that you go into their VIP. This one is VIP 1, and then if you want to upgrade this, you just need to pay VIP 1. You need to pay, I think, 100 cedis to join them. Every particular day you perform 3 tasks, and then you are given 1 cedi 10 pesos for the tax. So it means that every day you'll be getting 3 cedi 30 pesos. Let's do the simple calculation. 3 cedis 30 pesos times how many days will give you 100 cedis? You understand? So 3 cedi times 3 cedi 30 pesos times 10 days will give us like 30 cedis or so. So it means that you need about 2-3 weeks before you can get your money. Even with that, before you realize of getting your investment or your 100 cedis back, the company would have eloped with your money. So it is not advisable for you to invest 300 cedis for VIP2, VIP3 is 600 cedis, and etc. If you also look at the Starlight 2, they have promises, they've made promises a lot. You see a lot of reviews on their website. You go to their YouTube channel, and then they will tell you it's something new, enjoy, and etc. But I just want to tell you to be extra careful with these Ponzi scheme sites. You understand? If you go to their YouTube channel, they will show you plenty things, more subscribers. Their website is new, and then their YouTube channel is also new. But if you look at the views they are getting, it is not normal. There are so many people who do boosting. They can boost their platform for them to reach a lot of people just to make money and take people money away. So this is actually not good for you to invest in. But upon all that, I just want you to try the free mode. As I said earlier, I made $21 out from the Boko. So you can see my withdrawal here, live and clear. I made this money for free without investing anything. You can try that one, and then you can also try the Starlight. All the links will be in the description. If you want any idea about it, you can also share. Guys, if you want me to make any review on any particular site, just write it in the comment section. I will make a research on it, make a video, so that you know where or which trusted site you should invest your money. Guys, I don't want my followers to lose their money into this kind of Ponzi scheme site. You should be careful, and then you can enjoy, have fun, and then make sure you use the free section to earn your money. If you love watching this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you also hit on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and share for families and friends to also learn about this website, for them not to be scammed and all that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.